Hi family, welcome back to AutoCourse where we bring you tips and insights to make your driving experience smarter, smoother, and more efficient. Today we're diving into a topic that every driver cares about, saving fuel and keeping your car in great shape. So buckle up and let's get started. Tip number 1, drive smoothly. Avoid hard acceleration and sudden braking. Rapid starts and stops guzzle fuel and strain your engine and brakes. Aggressive driving can lower your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Instead, anticipate traffic, ease into stops, and accelerate gradually. Think of it like dancing with your car, not wrestling it. It's better for your car and your wallet. And remember, every time you brake hard, you're essentially turning your car's energy into heat and wasting it. Next up, check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your car to work harder and burn more fuel. You can usually find the recommended tire pressure on the driver's door frame or in the owner's manual. Investing in a portable tire inflator can save you trips to the gas station and ensure your tires are always at the right pressure. Keeping your tires properly inflated can boost your fuel efficiency and improve your car's handling. Plus, it'll save you money on tires in the long run. Tip number 3, lighten the load. Carrying unnecessary weight in your car affects fuel efficiency. For every extra 100 pounds, your car's fuel economy drops by about 1%. Clear out that clutter in your trunk. Keep only what's essential in your car to save fuel and keep it running efficiently. Those golf clubs you haven't touched in 6 months? Yeah, those can probably stay home. A lighter car is a happier car, and a happier car gets better gas mileage. Tip number 4, use cruise control on highways. Maintaining a steady speed is one of the easiest ways to improve fuel efficiency, especially on long drives. Cruise control helps eliminate unnecessary speed fluctuations, which can burn extra fuel. Just remember, it's best to avoid cruise control on hilly roads where the system might cause inefficient acceleration. But on those long stretches of highway, cruise control is your friend. Finally, don't skip regular maintenance. Keeping your car in top shape is key to both fuel efficiency and longevity. Simple things like oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks can make a big difference. A clean air filter alone can improve your car's fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Staying on top of maintenance not only saves you money at the pump, but also prevents costly repairs down the road. Tip 6, minimize your use of the air conditioning. Another key to fuel-efficient driving is to minimize your use of the air conditioning. I know it can be tempting to crank up the AC on a hot summer day, but it can actually decrease your fuel efficiency by up to 20%. Instead, try rolling down your windows or using a sunshade to keep your car cool. Not only will you save on fuel, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint and extend the life of your car's AC system. So, next time you're feeling the heat, remember a little breeze can go a long way. Tip 7, cultivating the habit of coasting. One driving secret that's really worth highlighting is the concept of coasting. Essentially, this means taking your foot off the gas when you're approaching a stop or a downhill slope, allowing your car to slow down naturally rather than using the brakes. This can be a really effective way to save fuel, especially in city driving. Coasting can be a bit tricky to get the hang of, but trust me, it's worth it. By taking your foot off the gas and allowing your car to slow down naturally, you can save a significant amount of fuel over time. And the best part is, once you get into the habit, it becomes second nature. And there you have it, 7 simple driving techniques to save fuel and extend your car's life. Remember folks, taking care of your car is an investment. These tips will not only save you money at the pump, but also keep your car running smoother and longer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AutoCourse for more car tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.